Today we're making beignets from the Golden Oak Outpost in the Magic Kingdom. Welcome to Disney Dishes, where I'm making the most popular snacks and dishes from around Walt Disney World parks and hotels. None of these concepts belong to me. They are my own recipes inspired from the favorites around the parks and hotels. Today we're at the Golden Oak Outpost in the Magic Kingdom, which is a Princess and the Frog themed quick service spot, if I am not to be mistaken, for beignets. Now, these are pretty popular on the list of foods to get in the Magic Kingdom because beignets are such a classic New Orleans style treat, and people who watch Princess and the Frog, if they hadn't heard of beignets before that, they heard of them from that movie. They are such a delicious classic treat, so let's make it. We need to start by activating some yeast. So I have warm milk, it's about 100 degrees. You don't want it to be too hot because then it'll kill the yeast, but if it's cold, the yeast won't activate. And we're gonna add in some sugar and our yeast and give that about 10 or so minutes, or just until it becomes light and foamy. Now in the bowl of our stand mixer, we've got the rest of our granulated sugar, we've got egg yolk, vanilla, and the milk and yeast mixture with that sugar added in. We're gonna add on our dough hook attachment and add in about half of our all-purpose flour. Once that's kneaded in, we're gonna add in salt and the rest of the flour. Now this has somewhat of a brioche take in the sense that softened butter gets added after the dough comes together, and then we knead after that. It's not a whole lot of butter, it's only about 4 tablespoons, but it does need to be completely softened before you add it in. Now this dough is going to take at least 2 hours, probably to double in size. Covered with a damp cloth in a warm place, just make sure you keep an eye on it. Once it's doubled, we're going to make sure we have oil preheated on the stove, and we're going to start rolling out the dough. Now it's very key that this dough is no more than a ½ inch thick. If it's too thick, it just won't bake through once they're frying. So you want to make sure they're not too thick. If they're a little bit thinner than a ½ inch, that's fine. Just make sure they're not thicker than that. I measured to get perfect little 2 by 2 inch squares. You don't have to do that. You can absolutely eyeball. But once your dough is cut, you want to fry in your oil. It's at about 330 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Give them a nice little flip halfway through, and they really don't take that long. They will take on a nice golden brown color pretty quickly. So once you notice that first side getting golden brown, give them a flip and then give them another couple minutes and they should be good to go. I'm going to remove them from the oil and put on a paper towel to drain for just a minute. And of course these are beignets, so we need to dust them with lots of powdered sugar because that is how they're served. And this is such a classic delicious treat. Soft, pillowy little fried donuts with powdered sugar. You just can't go wrong with these. I love how this dough only gets one rise, so it cuts a lot of the time off of, other desserts like donuts or other fried doughs that have a second proof. And these are a little bit quicker, and they are just so nice and pillowy, and being coated in powdered sugar. I mean, you just can't go wrong with these. Yep, that'll do it. They've got just a slight crisp from the outside being fried. The inside is nicely cooked. Of course, you get the sweetness from the powdered sugar. It's very simple, but it's very, very good, very enjoyable. And with a cup of coffee, I mean, hello. If there are any recipes you'd like me to make in this series, let me know in the comments below. The recipe for this is in the description, and make sure you give this video a nice thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me for the rest of this amazing Disney Dishes series. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.